like I said, there's more, and I'm back. Look at this. Just more. I'll get up to the pillars there. Wow. This was called the Great Temple. Look at that.
Mike, speak short.
That terrace was built by the Nabateans. Then Romans, they added more levels and they built something by pillars. They are elephant-headed, and that's an Aegean influence. One of the biggest temples in Petra used to be a temple. Then they turned it into a house of senators. The other temple in the south is that one, which is badly damaged. Also, they started working there. It's called the Wing, or the Wing Nabate Nabatean mythology. Also, they are working there just to
The other temple, these are fruit.
big pillars. The main temple in the south is that one.
Now we have a man on a donkey.
Oh,
Sense of humor always, isn't
if
there?
you are
He's
interested to
going.
see what we have up there,
Ride,
by the way,
cowboy
I
ride.
will walk this way. You just go up.
Here we are going through their main entrance. Here comes Cowboy again. I mean that in the kindest way. I'm originally from South Dakota. Yeah, we used to ride horses like they do donkeys here.
I was needing it off the bed.
Okay, I have to look back. This is all part of the temple. Look at all those pillars. Look, guys. Wow. All of this stone here is part of the entrance to the temple, and it's massive. Let's take a local look. Okay, here we are. This is our temple. Guys, these rocks are huge. Imagine. I can't even begin to tell you how tall that must be.
The altar.
Wow, that's the entrance.
By the way, if you look to the map, you see that
I'll get you later.
shot at them. As I said, guys, Petra is huge in size. It's not small. It's a huge site. And what we see today is the most important part of it. But believe me, some people they spend a week here hiking around and doing all.
Our guide was saying this is just a small portion of what's here.
The restaurant or the restaurant is full. Yeah. Let's
When you get inside there, there's doors up there.
My good mission. So I don't know here. You know,
Restaurant. I'll be back. It's kind of pretty to get a shot right like this. And then you can say, how great is our God and worthy to be praised. Wow. Gotta go eat. I'll be back.